Welcome, my friend. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. We are going to tend to your lower back to help ease any pain that you may feel from your night slumber before you head out into your day. Now, everything is connected. So in today's practice, we are not specifically focusing on the lower back, but we're going to open our hamstrings, we're going to open our hips, our glutes. So all of those areas, all in an effort to help ease and open up the lower back. Now this will be a fully reclined practice. Make sure you do have a yoga strap nearby. You will need that for our practice today. All right, my friends, go ahead and make your way to lying on your back in your own time. Just make sure that your strap is within reach. Go ahead, extend your legs out long. Let your arms relax alongside your body. And just take a moment here in Shavasana to relax the body, relax the mind, and connect with the breath. And taking slow, nourishing breaths. Beginning to elongate the inhalations and elongate the exhalations. Really, I have this as a morning practice, but it's great for any time you need to open your back. It would even be really great for an evening practice at the end of the day. So slowly draw your right knee into your chest. Hands grasp that knee and gently hug it in. Ground that left heel to the earth. Continue to take those slow, nourishing breaths. Now slowly begin to sway the knees side to side. The next time your knee opens to the right, let your left hand release, right hand grabs the knee, and gently open the knee, drawing it towards your armpit. You have the option to stay here or take half happy baby by sliding your hand through the clasp, the outside edge of that foot, and lift your sole of foot up to the sky. Draw the knee down alongside the body. Flex the foot, heel presses up. Your left hand to your left hip as a gentle, subtle reminder to keep that left hip grounded. Now slowly bring your left sole of foot to the mat. Then cross your right ankle over that thigh. We're coming into our reclined pigeon pose. So this is option 1, foot is flexed, knee pressing away. Option 2, drawing that left knee in, clasping the back side of your thigh. Option 3, clasping the front side of your shin. Remember to flex the foot and energetically press the right knee away. Slowly release, returning the left sole of foot to the mat. Go ahead and grab your strap. Oops. Wrap the strap around your foot. Or if you have a loop already made, loop that around your foot. I forgot that I did. And then slowly begin to extend that leg up to the sky. Just pause whenever you feel a nice sensation upon the back side of your leg. Knee does not have to be fully straight or locked. A slight bend in the knee is wonderful. So gently draw the foot up towards the space in front of you, towards your head. And then hold it there and breathe. If you'd like to extend the left leg out long, feel free to do so. That might deepen the stretch for you. Now, take the strap into the left hand. We're going to cross your right leg over to the left side, very slowly. And then pause whenever you feel a nice sensation on the outside of your leg. And then draw the foot up towards the top of the mat. Keep that right shoulder grounded. Take your right hand to grasp the strap and slowly use it to assist in lifting back up to center. Then take the strap into the right hand and slowly lower the right leg towards the right side of the mat. You get a nice shot of my foot. And then from here, we'll energetically draw the foot up towards the top of the mat. Left hand to the left hip as a subtle reminder to keep it grounded. If you're feeling any tightness or tension in your hips, take a moment to soften and relax. Take your left hand, clasp the strap to slowly lift it back up to center. Return your left sole of foot to the mat. Release the strap, bend into the knee. Draw your knee into your chest once more. Slowly extend. Draw the knee in again. Give it a squeeze. Extend. Take it one more time, knee into chest. Squeeze it in, and then extend. Let's take that over to the second side. Draw your left knee into your chest, giving it a squeeze. We'll hold it here for a few breaths. That right heel of foot is grounded. Shoulders are relaxed away from your ears. And slowly begin to take that slow sway of the left knee side to side, massaging into your hip. Next time your left knee opens to the left side, take the hand to the knee and draw it over to the left side towards your armpit. This is option one. Option two is to take half happy baby. So your left hand clasps the outside edge of the foot and lift the sole of foot up to the sky. We're drawing that knee down alongside your body. Sole of foot is pressing into your hand, so two opposing directions, making this an active stretch. Slowly draw your right sole of foot to the mat. We'll cross your left over that thigh, moving into our pigeon pose. Explore the different variations and move into the variation that feels best on this side. If you notice that your left knee is collapsing inward, go ahead and line that knee up with your hip. Just notice if that changes any of the sensations you're feeling. I'm sorry for that leaf blower. Up there cleaning up the beach. Adam said that there were a lot of fireworks. Residuals, I guess, that were left over there. Slowly soften your right sole foot to the mat. Grab your strap, wrap it around your left ball of the foot, and slowly extend, pausing whenever you feel a nice sensation along the back side of your leg. Then draw the foot up towards the top of the mat. Extending the right leg long if you'd like. Take the strap into the right hand and guide the foot over to the right side. Once it's lowered, draw the foot up towards the top of the mat. Bring the left hand to help assist in lifting it back up to center, nice and slow. Then take the strap into the left hand and guide the foot over to the left side. Right hand to the right hip, reminding it to stay grounded. Once your left leg is lowered, draw it up towards the top of the mat. Remember to invite in softness and ease into your hips, into your pelvic floor. Your right hand to the strap to assist in lifting it back up to center. Draw your right sole of foot to the mat. Release the strap. Draw the left knee into your chest. Give it a squeeze. Then extend it out long, feeling the hip flexor lengthen. Draw the left knee into your chest. Squeeze it. Extend it out long. Draw the left knee in one last time. Squeeze it. Then draw the right knee in. Wrap your arms around. Give yourself a squeeze and rock side to side, massaging into your back. Settle into stillness. Let your feet fall to the mat with a thud. Roll over to the right side. Let's take a full deep breath in. a long, slow releasing breath out. With your eyes closed, attention remaining inward, make your way to a comfortable cross-legged seated position, sitting up nice and tall. Relax your hands wherever feels comfortable. Draw your attention within to the space of your lower back, noticing how you're feeling now compared to when you first stepped on the mat together. How did those movements, those poses, those stretches nourish your lower back? Let's breathe in, circle your fingertips up to the sky. Palms kiss, exhalation descends, prayer to heart. Breathe in, raise prayer to your third eye. Exhalation, bow forward to your heart. Namaste. Before you step off the mat, take a moment to thank yourself for carving out the time to tend to your body through nourishment, through movement, through your breath. All right, my friends, have a beautiful rest of your day. If you enjoyed, please throw the video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I love to hear from you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel before you hop away. Have a beautiful rest of your day, my friend.